Hello my creative friends, welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you the technique of Glue Batik. Batik is a traditional technique by using hot melted wax. The image is drawn onto fabric, the fabric is then dyed or painted on, and then the wax is melted to reveal the image. It's a beautiful technique, but today I'm doing a Glue Batik, which is much easier, child-friendly, safer, and also more accessible to do. So I hope you enjoy this episode. I absolutely love the Mario theme, so I had to do the Mario theme today, and I'm going to be taking a t-shirt because I want to wear this, but you don't have to. You could do it on a piece of fabric. This could be an art piece that you display. You entirely choose what you would like to do. Okay, so step one, get a plain piece of paper and draw a line drawing using a permanent marker Sharpie pen. Because I don't want my t-shirt to move, I'm gonna also use some masking tape onto the t-shirt, just on the sides. Just to keep it in place, I'm gonna put some masking tape on the sides there. I'm gonna be placing my image inside. And as you can see through it. And I'm going to be taping the piece of paper inside. So I have Elmer's school glue. This is a gel glue. You can use ordinary PVA, but it tends to run and you won't get the nice lines of the drawing or the pattern. So I prefer to use the gel glue, and it's a lot easier to remove as well than the PVA. So I'm just going to be tracing the image that's underneath. If there's any gaps, you could just fill those in. Just try to find any gaps if you want. Now you want to leave it to dry. You can leave it to dry for 2 to 3 hours. So once it's dried, you want to paint it. I've got Scholar fabric paint and I've just placed some in this palette. You can dye the fabric. You can place it in a bowl of dye, and that's another process, but today I'm painting. There you go. Once you've removed the masking tape and the paper underneath, you've got this, and I'm just going to put it in some hot water. This is hot to touch water, so it's kind of warm. Should I say warm? Yeah, about warm water. And I'm just going to be placing it in there, and with my fingers I'm going to be removing the glue. Guess what? Yeah. It's done! Look! Oh, I just need to dry it up and then I can wear it. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful technique. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Take good care of yourself as always. Bye-bye!